Hi, today I'm reviewing XIAOMI 12T Pro and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch Gmail application, and after that we should click on the right upper corner, and now we can see that we are logged in Gmail account in Gmail app. And if you want to log out from here, from Gmail application, you should log out first from Google account on your device. And to do that, we should click to manage accounts on this device, tap to Google section and click here to more icon. After that, click here remove account and confirm your action by click here to remove account again and tap to OK. If you have some protect methods on your device, you should use them. I'll use my pattern for example. And now let's just go back to the application. Let's refresh it. Okay. No internet connection. So let's go back here, and now we can see that we just successfully logged out also from Gmail account in Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.